There is no problem in having a principal secured investment that you tell the borrower or the person that who is undertaking business that, look here is my amount. I want you to use it in your business. I would like to get returns, certain percentage. You make huge profits, I have no problems. I don't want them. I want just 10% of my capital to be returned to me every year. But if you make lesser profits, then please adjust the returns accordingly. If you run into losses, I will not charge you anything, except that my principal amount is going to remain intact. The traditional Muslim understanding is that the principal amount has also got to be depleted. So they always insist that the replacement of riba is profit and loss sharing. And I'm telling you that there are so many tragic stories of small savers who invested their amounts with businessmen who took their capital uh, through the arrangement of profit and loss sharing. And in the name of losses, the capitals were wiped off. They were deprived of their savings. And these poor people, they thought that what they're doing is Islamic. It's got nothing to do with Islam. These are some opinions of scholars. And that is what is happening to many things that we are doing in Islam. There are opinions of scholars. We respect those opinions, but those opinions can be debated. So, principal secured investment, I'm pleading, is equally acceptable. All you say is, I want my principal back. If you don't make profits, I will not ask for nothing. In principle, I'll get in return, I'll get back as and when you can afford to do it.